The chapter is Triangle and Properties for Standard 7. This is part 2. Here we are going to do some problems using the properties which we learned in the previous part. So in this triangle it is given this angle B is 50 and angle C is 70. We have to find the value of x. So we learned the angle sum property. Sum of all the angles is equal to 180. So angle A plus B plus C is equal to 180. Angle sum property. In geometry, you should always give the reasons for every step that you are using any property. You have to mention the property. So angle sum property. So angle A is x, B 50 and 70 is equal to 180. So x is equal to 180 minus 120 equal to 60 degrees. In a triangle ABC, if thrice angle A is equal to 4 angle B is equal to 6 angle C, find the angles. So it's given, it's actually the ratios given. So angle, let this equal to 3A, 3 angle A is equal to 4 angle B is equal to 6 angle C is equal to K. Therefore, from that we will get 3A, 3 angle A is equal to K. Therefore, angle A is equal to K by 3. Angle B, similarly 4B is equal to K. So, angle B is equal to K by 4. And angle C is equal to K by 6. So, we know angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180, angle sum property, from which you will get K by 3 plus K by 4 plus K by 6 is equal to 180. We will take the LCM. LCM is 12. So 12 by 3, 4K plus 3K plus 2K is equal to 180. 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 2, 9. So 9K is equal to 180 into 12. So K is equal to 180 into 12 by 9. So K is equal to 240. So now we have to find the angles. Now we have to find the angles. So angle A is equal to K by 3. So 240 divided by 3 is equal to 80. Angle B is equal to 240 by 4 is equal to 60. And angle C is equal to 240 by 6, that is equal to 40. Now if you add A, B and C, you will get 180 degrees. Now here angle, it's given angle BAC. BAC is 90 and AD is perpendicular to BC. We have to find angle A, B, C and D. So here it is given AD is perpendicular. It's also given angle BAD is equal to 35 degrees. Now we have to find angle A, B and C. So now this is given 35 and this is 90. So A plus 35 is equal to 90. We can use the exterior angle property. So angle B plus angle BAD plus angle BAD is equal to 90 degrees. Exterior angle property. So B is equal to, this is A. So A plus 35 is equal to 90, from which you will get A is equal to 90 minus 35, 55 degrees. So we got A is 55 degrees. Now in triangle ABC, angle A is equal to 90. Now we got angle B is equal to 55. Therefore, and we can find angle C. Therefore, so angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180. Angle sum property. Angle A is 90. So 90 plus B is 55 plus C is B is equal to 180, from which you will get B is equal to 180 minus 90 plus 55, 145. So when it comes this side, it will be minus 145. So it will be equal to 35 degrees. So B is equal to 35 degrees you get. Now we have to find angle C. So now consider the triangle ADC. So in triangle ADC, C plus angle ADC plus B is equal to 180. Again angle sum property. So C is what you have to find. So C plus ADC is 90 plus B is equal to 35 is equal to 180. So C is equal to 90 plus 35, 125. So C is equal to 180 minus 125, which is 55 degrees. Find X and Y in this figure, where this angle is given as 60 and this angle as 40 and this is 90. Now this is 90, so we can use exterior angle property. Y plus 60 is equal to 90. So in triangle ABD, Y plus 60 is equal to 90, from which you will get Y is equal to 90 minus 60 is equal to 30 degrees. Now we have to find the value of X. So in this triangle ADC, in triangle, so Y plus 60 is, this is exterior angle property. You have to write the reason property. In triangle ADC, 40 plus 90 plus X is equal to 180. And this is angle sum property. For X is equal to 180 minus 130 is equal to 50 degrees. So X is equal to 50 and Y is equal to 30 degrees. In this figure, it is given this line BE is parallel to CD. BE is parallel to CD is given, and some of the angles are also given. Here it is given 80 and here it is 40. Now we have to find all the other angles. Now since these two are parallel, this angle and this will form co-interior angles. So A plus 80 is equal to 180. The reason is BE parallel to CD and co-interior angles are supplementary. So from that, A is equal to 180 minus 80 is equal to 100. So we get A is equal to 100 degrees. Now this angle A is the exterior angle. When you consider this triangle, A is the exterior angle. So in triangle ABE, exterior angle A is equal to sum of the interior opposite angles. So 40 plus Y. 40 plus Y. So we know A is equal to 100. So we'll write, from this we'll write 100 is equal to 40 plus Y, and therefore Y is equal to 100 minus 40 is equal to 60 degrees. So Y equal to 60 degrees. Now B, Y and B form linear pair. So Y plus B is equal to 180. The reason is linear pair. Y we know is 60. So 60 plus B is equal to 180, from which you will get B is equal to 180 minus 60 is equal to 120 degrees. So B is equal to 120 degrees. So we got Y, B and A. We can get X. A and X are linear pair again, or we can say these two lines are parallel. So 80 and X form corresponding angles. So we can write X is equal to 80 degrees. Reason, BE parallel to CD, corresponding angles. So X is equal to 80. So we got X, A, Y and B. Now we can find either these two are Y and Z are corresponding angles, or we can use angle sum property. 80 plus 40 plus Z is equal to 180 and then solve it. Or easier way is Z and Y are form corresponding angles. Therefore Z is equal to Y. Reason, corresponding angles. BE is parallel to CD. Corresponding angles are equal. So Z is Y is equal to, we got 60. So therefore Z is equal to 60 degrees. So we got all the angles. To check whether you have done it correct or not, you can say D plus A plus Z is equal to 180. So 80 plus 40, 120, and Z 60. 120 plus 60 is 180. So what you have done is right.